Hi there, welcome to the final project for Module 4 Vector Graphics. You are going to be creating some fun graffiti in this project. The first thing that you're going to do is look at the PowerPoint and click through that and read everything on it, please. Okay. Now, if you've already done that, which you should have, just right-click, and we're going to go to Slide 8, Procedures. Now, you're going to start with a plan. So do you want your graffiti to be symmetrical or asymmetrical? Do you want it to have radial balance, so come out from the center? And you need to choose two other principles of design you want to emphasize. Okay. If you're creating your own graffiti, you want to pay special attention to these. So yes, you can draw your own out, color it in, and then scan it into Illustrator. Or if you don't want to do that, you can go to this link, graffitiCreator.net. And you can scroll down and click load on one of these that look like something you might like. Now sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, so I'm not sure why it does that. It says we should download Firefox, but I don't want to do that on every computer, so you're just gonna keep clicking load and hopefully one of the fonts will work for you. Oh, it came up after I got too impatient. So again, it might take a while, but eventually something that looks like this should come up, and you're going to type your tag name. For this program, the maximum you can use is 8 letters. So I'm just going to do my last name. Okay, and then generate, and it creates the letters for me. You can go in and change the width, the height, rotation. Then I can go in and play with the colors. Then go in and add some stripes if I want. I don't think I want to though. I don't know how to get rid of them now. Go in and add shadow. Can't really see it making a difference. But anyway, you can go in here and play around with this. Once you find the graffiti that you like, you are going to, on your keyboard, on the top right, there's a button that's called Print Screen. So you're going to make sure you can see all of your graffiti. So we're kind of cutting off the E there, so guess it'll just have to do. And go print screen. Then you're going to go and paste it into, go to accessories and go down to paint, edit, paste. Alright, now I have that whole screen. I'm going to go in and select just the image of my graffiti, cut that, and paste it onto a new one. Now I have my graffiti that I can use as a template. Okay? So I'm just going to file, can save this. Then I'm going to open up Illustrator. Depending on how long your graffiti is and how it's positioned, you'll want to decide at this point if you want a portrait or a landscape canvas. Okay, mine's pretty wide, so I'm going to go with a landscape. On landscape. Now, I can go in and find my graffiti that I saved in my pictures. Just going to open up in Photoshop just to make us wait longer. Copy that, and I'm hoping I can paste it right in from there. Perfect. Okay. So once I have it pasted in, I'm going to go in and adjust it so it fits on my canvas well. After that, you're going to create a new layer, set this as a template, and just using the pen tool, you're going to get started tracing your graffiti. Now, I don't know why it moved up there. You're going to want to have a few different layers to your graffiti. Okay? So the first thing you're going to start with is the very top of your graffiti. And this is going to be a separate layer. So I'm just going to work on this for a few minutes, and I will get. I've done a couple letters, and you can see here now that these little lines right here that help create the 3D effect, you're going to go in and add later. So all you need to do for this is go around and create the shapes. for the shadow. The top of your letters. Then go to Effect, 3D, change it how you want it. You can go in and change your stroke color if you want to make the sides different. Now remember, you want to see these lines to the sides, so try not to pick a color that's too dark, so you'll be able to see them. Okay. So yes, it changes it from what I originally had there, but it still looks neat once you put it on a background. Okay? Okay, so there's the start anyway. It's not perfect, needs a lot of adjustments here, but that's how you get started on creating the actual shapes of the 3D graffiti. Okay? Next assignment's going to show you how to go in and to add the gradient coloring to it. So stay tuned for that.